Welcome back. Cholo's Titan Chop Chop Shop. I'm your boy Dano. We got another one in the chop shop. Yes, sir. This is the V5 Arrma Typhon 6S. A little over a year ago, I used to have a V2 Typhon, which was badass. I love that thing. I sold it. That is probably the one rig I regret selling. Well, as luck would have it, I was able to pick up another one. Now, I don't know you guys wondering, hey, this guy, he's buying all these rigs, blah, 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 blah. I don't have any affiliate links, anything like that. I don't get sent products to test out or anything like that. If I get anything new, it's because I was able to save for it, or I sold something, or I might have spent a little bit of Corona money. I don't want to talk about that. But let's do it. And here we got all the usual tools and stuff and high-speed pinion gear. Sweet, sweet. That's awesome. That's always awesome. Got your radio. I think this is a STX2. Sorry, SLT3. SLT3 Spectrum radio. Which I guess, I don't know if those ones are any good or not. I haven't had any dealings with those particular ones. I usually end up changing out receivers and using my Futaba anyway. But, oh man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Man, oh man. Get that out the way. Ooh, look at that. Would you look at that, ladies and gentlemen? That is sweet. That sucker is super sweet. Oh my God, I'm gonna have so much fun with this thing. Now this one has the Spectrum Firma system with 20 kV motor. Whoa. Comes with pre-installed caps. That's awesome. That's awesome. These IC5s, I'm gonna change out to my XT90s because I run XT90 connectors on my stuff. I just do. Don't judge me, whatever. But I'm gonna get those soldered up. And oh man, this thing's EXB compatible. Ooh man, I'm gonna have to get I've already got an idea to get the bottom chassis braces for the front and rear, or the skid plates, I'm sorry, skid plates. And I'm thinking about getting aluminum braces for this thing, front and rear, just to give it a little bit of extra rigidity, you know. The shock towers look pretty sturdy. Yes, they do. Those look pretty good. And the whole thing, I mean, this is just going to be an awesome, awesome car. So let me get these connectors soldered up, get this bad boy out for a rip, and we'll go from there.
We're born into the grave. feel so alone, gonna end up a big old pile of them. I feel so alone, gonna end up a big old pile of them. I feel so alone, gonna end up a big old pile of them bones.
roof is on fire. We don't need no water, let the motherfucker burn. Burn, motherfucker, burn! The roof is on fire, but we don't need no water, let the motherfucker burn. Burn, motherfucker, burn! The roof is on fire, but we don't need no water, let the motherfucker burn. Oh, such a way you get me down. Why so hypnotic? 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 Why so hypnotic?
Man, I'm going to tell you what. This thing is much better than the V2 I had before. This thing has got so much freaking power. It's unbelievable. I already went ahead and put in the front EXB brace. I picked that up. I went to put the rear one on, but I got the wrong one. It's too long. So I'll see about if I can return that and get the right one. And put that bad boy in there. I might get the EXB spacers right here. Yeah, this thing totally needs the EXB stuff because this thing is just a freaking monster. This thing is badass. I'm gonna tell you what. This one's a keeper. Yeah, that Firma, the 150 amp ESC, and that 2050 kV motor, man, that is an excellent combination for this thing. I know a lot of guys probably, and girls, are probably putting like a Max 6 with a 1650 kV motor on it, which, my God, I couldn't imagine. I probably could. But this thing absolutely freaking screams right now the way it sits. Stock out of the box, 6S batteries. Okay, not stock, I got the one EXB brace. I have another one too, but wow, wow, wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I highly recommend Arrma 6S Typhon. See you on the next one.